Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are just finding me and you don't know who I am, hello, my name is Cassie and I get asked a lot how I make my iced toppers for my tumblers. So, I mean, how cute is that? I am just loving these. They're super, super cute and very inexpensive to make and super, super easy. So I'm going to be showing you guys step by step. Seriously, you guys, this is going to be the easiest topper you've ever made in your life. Or first. I don't know if you've ever done this before. How to make these. So you only need a couple of items to make these, and I've got, of course, everything linked below for you for easy access. Feel free to ask me any questions that you have. I might make these a little different than others. I don't know, but you guys, making things like this should not be that difficult. I mean, look how cute this is, and it's going to hold up. These are not going to come off, and they should be able to be washed in the dishwasher. So they're awesome. Keep watching. Okay, so for my lids, I just use UV resin. You can use any brand, but make sure it's UV resin, because this will, there's no mixing involved. You just pour it straight out of the bottle and then you place it under a UV light. So I have my UV light here. And if you want to make sure that you have a UV lamp that is 36 watts or more, because it will dry up under that lamp within 2 to 4 minutes. If you don't have a lamp, then you can set it out into the sunlight and it will take about 2 to 5 minutes as well. If it's cloudy, it could take about 15 minutes. If you don't have a UV lamp that is 36 watts and it may be lower than that, then it could take up to 30 minutes to harden. But I've done a couple here and they're nice and hard. I will just take my lid. I don't take any of the components out of the lid. I just make sure that the flap is all the way up so that they can still stick their straw through, because this is going to be permanently cured open. And then I have these crystals, these clear crystals, and all of this you can get off of Amazon. I will have the links below for you guys. Don't worry about that. But I like to use different sizes. So I use larger ones and smaller ones. And I actually start with the larger ones on the outer edges, and then I fill in with the smaller ones. So all I do is just take the larger one, kind of fumble around with it until it fits nicely where I want it. I take my UV resin and I will just pour some of this on there, place it where I want it. Let's do it like that, and then I pop it up under that light till it starts to get a little hard, and there's still some resin there, so I'm going to try to make use of that and put another one in there. And then sometimes I will just pour my resin on top so that these are nice and cured to one another. So I basically will do the bigger ones all around the edges. I don't get too close to the straw hole. That's probably as close as I'm going to get. So I'm going to put this one here. And you want to make sure that the resin doesn't get on that straw hole opening, because if it does, then they're not going to be able to use that. So that's as close as I'm going to get to the straw hole opening. I might put a couple of smaller ones there, but I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this for you as I'm working on this, and then I'll show you how I use the smaller ones to fill everything in. Okay, so I have the bigger pieces on there, and you see how beautiful it looks, and it looks just like ice. So I need to fill this in, but I'm going to use the smaller pieces for that. So what I'm going to do is find a piece that fits in there nicely. I think that one does. You just have to be careful not to get this resin on the straw hole. So I kind of hold my lid backwards so that the resin would run this way if it starts to drip any. Make sure it's cured nicely before I tilt it back. Okay, so there we go. And now what I can do is start to fill in some of these gaps like this with these smaller pieces. So usually I will just come in here and fill that in. This also gives the ice kind of a nice wet look. I'll put a piece here. I might put a piece here as well. I'm off camera, sorry. Oops. And there you go. So after I am finished and satisfied with it, I think I might want one right here too. Oh yeah, we need one right there. After I am satisfied with it, I will let it sit under the light for maybe 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure it's nice and cured, because I don't want any pieces coming loose. I may also come in here and put a little more resin in here. This one, we need a piece right here. Just to fill in some of these gaps. I think that looks very nice. You guys can also get these little crystals in different colors. I have done a red ice topper before that was absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to come in here and add some resin like this. Make sure I tilt my lid this way because, again, I don't want any of the resin to get anywhere near that straw hole. And I'm going to let it sit for just a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to set it up under this light for a good 10-15 minutes to let it fully cure. Then I'm going to package this up and mail it to my clients. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and if it was, feel free to subscribe for more videos, like and share. Add a comment. Let me know if there's anything else that I might could create a video for you that would be, or a tutorial that would be helpful. Thanks again for watching, and I can't wait to see the one you make. Bye, guys.